G'day viewers, Grazza, and welcome to another episode of Grazza's Freshwater Fishing. Out at Lake Eppalock, Tuesday afternoon, just gone 6 o'clock. Got about 2.5 hours of fishing. Thought we'd sneak out for a quick fish. Reports Yella Belly stupid, very tough. So, but that said, the conditions are pretty good. Last 24 hours or so. So we're hoping with this warmer weather, water temp sitting around 25. So yeah, surely it's going to happen soon. But anyway, we'll go out and see whether we can locate one down. Alright, first spot. So yeah, we're going to try this little spin right jig. What I've done here is I've actually put a little ambush soft plastic on it. And the cup, you can't really see it, but I've put a couple of little stingers on it as well. So we're going to try that. It's a little bit bigger bait. And we're just going to whack a bit of this, the old Dizzy scent in the yabby. Just give that a bit of a lube up. We'll give that a whirl to try with, and we'll see how we go. As you can hear, there's a little bit of wind around. Actually, quite a bit of wind around. It's quite a heavy jig head, this one, so it's sort of going to get down to the bottom pretty quick. Yeah, we've got a fish here. Be ready, I'd say. Yeah. Oh, a quick release. Oh, there's a tap. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's a good ready, this one. Taking a bit of drag. Yeah, nice one. Nice one. Here we go. First one. Well, first one landed anyway. Got him down. He's a couple of stingers. I got him there. There you go, beautiful ready. He'll be pushing up around that 30 mark. Good one. Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Oh no, I foul hooked him. Got him underneath the chin. That's why he seemed a bit bigger. Oh, in she goes. We're going to try something different. So we've got the Pirate's Treasure in the ambush lures. So this is be a little 2.5 inch. The wiggle tail. We're gonna, apparently these have been doing all right on the yellow, so we'll give these a whirl. Got a little Bassman jig head on here. As you can see, it's quite a long bait. Got that sort of transparent sort of flake through it. We'll put that on, give that a whirl, see how we go with that. Actually presents pretty well, so we'll put a bit of this yabby scent on it. They're Dizzy. I haven't used this scent before, so interesting to see how it goes. All right, so here we go here. Oh, there was a bite already. Ooh, yeah, on. First cast. First cast, how's that? He's not a bad ready. Oh, he's a nice one. He's a beauty. Look at that. Jeez, he's thick. Thick. What a ripper. Look at that, guys. That's a beautiful redfin. Check that out. Yeah, he's he attacked that. You got a fair crack at that. Oh, nice one. Ribber. He's alright. It's not that big, but geez, he's inhaled it. It's alright, he's only a little. Oh, there's a tap. Yeah, got him. Got him. He's only little. Not very big either. Oh, he's not bad, eh? He's alright. Stuff. Another good one. Work. Back. Yeah, got him. Yep. Right underneath us he was. Good one. Going to drop that over the side there. I actually saw a few good fish just underneath us here. Yeah, as soon as I dropped that, whoa! Ripper. Oh, they're thick and fast. Another one. That ripper. Ooh. Yeah, got him. Got him. He's only a small fry. Oh, geez, he's alright. Geez, he didn't put up much of a fight. Ripper. There we go. Nice one. Yeah, anyway, we thought we sort of caught a heap of reddies there. We spent probably an hour or so on them, so might just try a different spot. Yeah, and see whether we might be able to find a Yella Belly, eh? Alrighty, yeah, new spot. We've probably got, probably about 45 minutes left. Yeah, spent the last half hour sort of just chasing the top of the trees, and yeah, couldn't raise one, couldn't see one. So we sort of just come back out to the flats here. We've got a heap of spindly stuff sort of just in front of us here, and at 4 metres of water, and yeah, hopefully maybe a yellow will come up and maybe feed on these flats. We'll focus on that, see how we go. there you have it, guys. A quick session out at Lake Eppalock. Unfortunately, couldn't find any yellas. Yeah, that's pretty hard going, but got a few reddies, which is a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, if you wish to see some more of my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you get to do so, and we'll see you on the next video.